I'm Janet from Try It Like It Created, and today I am sharing a project with you on Cut Cardstock, a new member of their design team. And I wanted to share with you this Celebrate card, and I will be sharing the SVG cut file as well for the pieces that are used in this card. And so what we're focusing on this month, or what I'm focusing on this month, is this Stardream metallic cardstock in gold. And so that's going to be the top layer of our card. And so just to set things up here, I have the base of the card, and then I have the first layer of leaves, and then I have the top layer, which will be the gold. And you can see here that I have cut away this section, and the way that the piece is designed is that this actually cuts out of the gold piece. I wanted it to show up a little bit more, so what I did was I cut an additional one out of the linen, and then I used a little bit of distressed oxide with a brush and just darkened the color up a little bit, so you can see on this side what the difference is from what it was originally to how I colored it in. So those are the pieces for the card, and so we're just going to begin by tacking down this first layer, and you want to just put a small amount of adhesive around the outside border. This is designed to be a 4x6 card when folded, and so each piece that cuts is 4x6. It is a delicate design, and so the pieces you know, are going to cut on your cutting machine, and just watch it. You may want to add a little bit of extra pressure depending on the cardstock that you're using. And so this one is the first layer, and it just fits right directly onto the front of the cardstock. Now you can use a card that you already have, or you can cut your own by hand or with a paper trimmer. The file comes with all the layers, so you can have it cut out the white layer, the first layer of leaves, as well as the second layer of leaves. And then if you choose, you can do the additional cut like I have done for the sentiment that goes on the front. If not, you just need these 3 layers to go together. And since this is a fall card that says Celebrate, I'm going with, of course, fall colors here, but you could do this for any season, and you can see just how quick it goes together. And you really don't even need to have adhesive on all the parts. I'm just putting it kind of around the outside edges of everything, just so it'll stick down, especially since we have a little bit of dimension underneath this layer with the original leaf layer. And you can see here that it's cut out so the bottom layer shows through. So now we have some depth here with our piece with the 2 layers of color. And like I said, if you just cut the sentiment out of the gold, then you're done. I chose to add onto the layer, and so all I need to do is add a little bit of glue around this outer edge here, and this is just going to add another layer on top. And we just wait for it to dry. It is just that quick and easy. If you have extra pieces, if you have extra leaves, if you wanted to embellish the inside or the envelope, you could definitely do that. But this is it, quick and easy, little Celebrate card for fall.